Hello guys, today we have this 1200 watt smoothie blender. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and I'm going to go ahead and show you what comes inside. Inside the box we're going to find a larger cup, a leak-proof top, and it has the leak-proof seal right here inside, and we're going to have a couple of leak-proof caps right here. We have a big, a medium, and a small cup, two blades right here. And finally the blender. Look at this blender right here. It's very nice. On the bottom it has this kind of like suction cups, okay? So that way it sticks to the surface, okay? And it doesn't move whenever it's blending. And I'm gonna go ahead and just grab one of these cups and put it right here. We're gonna just test it with nothing in it. And that's how it works. There's no buttons. It's always gonna spin at the same revolutions, okay? This is supposed to be powerful. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some ice. We're gonna go ahead and get some milk right here. Okay, we're gonna drop a couple of strawberries, and we're gonna go ahead and close it right here, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're simply gonna spin the cup. Okay. Wow. It blended all the ice. It created a smoothie. This is good. This time we're gonna go ahead and get some ice. Again, we're gonna go ahead and pour some milk right here, and we're gonna get some raspberries inside, and we're gonna use the other blade. Okay, they're both the same size. We're gonna go ahead and just put it here. Okay, press it, and it's done. Okay. Go ahead and open it. Wow. It blended everything inside. Let me go ahead and taste it. One of the great options of this blender is that these cups have this lid that you can use them to actually store away whatever you blend, okay? So that way you can either take it with you or just store it away for a later use. This one you can definitely open it and then you can have it at any time. And you can close it, it's leak proof, okay? So that way you can just store it and take it throughout the day with you.